सेंट्रल इमर्जन्सी रिस्पॉन्स नंबर 112क लागून गोयच्या पुलीस कंट्रोल रूमाक सध्या उपद्रव जावंक लागला। हो नंबर मोबायलाचो पॉवर स्विच 3 फावट दामल्यार चुकून आपोआप 112 इमर्जन्सी कॉल डायल जाता आणि तो सरळ पुलीस पीसीआरच्या 100 नंबराक कनेक्ट जाता। ताका लागून गोय पुलिसाच्या इमर्जन्सी कॉलाचे प्रमाण प्रचंड वाडलां। डीआयजीन स्वता ही परिस्थिती मिडियाक उलोवन दाखयली।
केंद्र सरकाराच्या नव्या स्किमी प्रमाण 1 जानेवारीसान गोंयांतूय 112 हो एमर्जन्सी नंबर एक्टिवेट जालो। मात सद्याक स्मार्टफोनाक लागून हे सुविधेचेर ताण येवपाक लागला तो कारण नासतना। स्मार्टफोनांचो पॉवर बटन 3 फावट दामल्यार ऑटोमॅटिक 112 डायल जाता। गोंयांत 112 आनी गोंय पुलिसेचो पीसीआर 100 नंबर सिंक केल्ल्यान पुलीस कंट्रोल रूमात एमर्जन्सी कॉल वाडल्यात। 112 वेल्यान येवपी चडशे कॉल चुकून डायल जावन।
Now, what problem we are facing is that this panic number, the panic button, now it was designed in such a way that a person under distress can do it quietly without raising any suspicion if he is under some kind of duress or somebody is watching him or her. But what has happened is that this button is getting pressed accidentally. Sometimes while it is in the pocket or while the kids are playing with the phone. So we have started receiving calls which are not meant to be. So the number of calls to control room has gone up manifold. And as a result of which a person dials this kind of facility accidentally without his knowledge. So he doesn't know that he has dialed. And the phone is kept on. And the line doesn't disengage till the time he realizes and he actually disconnects. So what happens? This way क्या होता है कि वो कंट्रोल रूम की लाइन्स जैम होने लगी हैं।
चुकून आणि नकळत 112 डायल जाल्ल्यान पुलीस कंट्रोल रूमात एमर्जन्सी कॉल कितलेशेच पटीन वाडल्यात। गोंय पुलिसांनी डेडिकेटेड फोन लायन 7 वेल्यान 30चेर हाडल्या आणि 15 अतिरिक्त मनीसय ड्युटीर घाल्यात। मात कॉल बाय मिस्टेक म्हणटा त्या समस्येन पुलिसां मुखार सध्या वेगळोच प्रश्न उप्रासला। खंयचो कॉल खरो खंयचो चुकून डायल करतल्यांक फोन करून विचारले शिवाय कळप मुश्कील।
This is a matter which relates to the DOT at the center because it's a national policy. They have been apprised of the position and they're going to rectify it. Whatever they do, we'll come to know in due course. But at this moment, what we have done is that we have increased the number of lines in the 100 number exchange from the existing 6 to 30, so that people get better chance of connecting control room in case of an emergency.
प्रुडंटा खातीर सिनियर रिपोर्टर मुकेश कुमार आणि व्हिडिओ जर्नलिस्ट तुळशीदास च्यारी।
गोवा युनिव्हर्सिटी आणि जीसीसी आयन ग्रॅज्युएट आणि पोस्ट ग्रॅज्युएटा खातीर प्लेसमेंट फेर दवरिल्लो। 735 भुरग्यांनी तातूंत वांटो घेतिल्लो। सुमार 26 कंपन्यो ह्या फेरान वांटेकार जाल्ल्यो। भुरग्यां कडल्यान बरो प्रतिसाद मेळ्ळा म्हणून युनिव्हर्सिटी तशेंच कंपन्यो सांगतात। चडशा जाणांनी भुरग्यांक इंटरव्यूच्या दुसऱ्या राउंडाक आपयल्यात।
Goa University looking after the placement fair. This is our annual placement fair. We have it every year. And this year, a record of 735 students registered online. For the first time in the university, we are having this online registration of students. So out of 735 students, post-year students were 318 and UG students were 417. This time we had a record of 27 companies, including 2 career companies, that is Time and Vicati International from UK. It was free for all the students and the companies also it was free. Many students from many college passed out in the final year also, they could also participate. Normally when the companies interview them, normally some of them give the on the spot offer of appointment. Some of the companies call them for a second round in their companies, the final selection.
वट्ट 26 कंपन्यांनी प्लेसमेंट फेरान वांटेकार जाल्ल्यो। चडश्यो कंपन्यो गोंयच्योच। भुरग्यांकडल्यान बरो प्रतिसाद मेळ्ळा म्हूण कंपन्यो उलोवन दाखयतात।
We participated in this career fair. Okay, it's the first time we participated and we are happy with the response which we have got. We were looking at hiring faculties for our institution and the business development managers for working with us. We would have interacted with around at our center here around 25 to 30 participants.
From that we have interviewed around 36 candidates. Out of 36, 4 we have shortlisted for the second round, which we will conduct a second round soon, and we found that those candidates are very good to absorb in the company. Probably some of them they are freshers, but still for the second round we will give them a chance to work in the industry.
We had tremendous response today. About 76 candidates had come from various streams, right from all humanities, life sciences and mathematics to computer science. We have interviewed them. We have had a personal interaction today. We have called them to come to our campus. Once again, we thank the Goa universities and all those concerned for giving us an opportunity.
गोवा युनिव्हर्सिटी वर्सान वर्स असो प्लेसमेंट फेअर दवरता, मात ह्या वर्सा खंय तांकां रिकॉर्ड ब्रेकिंग प्रतिसाद मेळ्ळा. प्रुडंटा खातीर तुकाराम मराठी.
फातोड्ड्यात सध्या 101 भुरग्यांक शाळाच ना. फातोड्डेचे मडोना प्रायमरी इंग्लिश स्कूल बंद पडलें. शिक्षण खात्यान खंय तांचें परमिशन रिन्यू करूंक ना. मे चालू जालो, चडशा बाकीच्या शाळांनी एडमिशनां फूल जाल्यात. स्कुलाच्या मॅनेजमेंटान ऐन त्या टायमार घात मारिल्ल्यान पालक सध्या चाळवल्यात.
Only few parents. Yesterday, all of a sudden, when we came to know, everybody is saying that the school is shut down. What do you think? As parents, we should know about it, no, at least prior to 1 month, so that we can see if our children admission somewhere else. That is our wish. Why we were kept unaware? Why we were kept unaware? That is only one question.
आता काय सांगणार, शटडाऊन म्हणतात ती स्कूल. आता आम्ही भुरग्यांचे ऍडमिशन करूच जायना, आम्ही वचपाचे. आणि आता एप्रिल मेचे म्हयन्यानी आमचे पैसे काढल्याचे फीचे, तिंका आमी दिवन फायदो की सांग पळया.
लिव्हिंग सर्टिफिकेट
ती आमी काल येयले सगळ्यांक बंद. आता आमी फोर्सफुली लिव्हिंग सर्टिफिकेट घेतल्या. अजून थोड्या पेरंट्सांनी तेच्यांनी इन्फॉर्म करूं ना की बाबा स्कूल शटडाऊन जालें म्हणून. आमकां सांगलें हे वर्सा कशें चलतलें म्हणून सांगलें, आमी रावली. आनी आतां मदींच सांगता ते स्कूल बंद म्हणून. आमी कितें करपाचें आतां आमच्या भुरग्यांक? सगळ्यांक गेले स्कुलाक एडमिशन फूल म्हणटा. फोर्थाक तर घेवपाक खंय तयार ना.
तुम्ही एज्युकेशन डिपार्टमेंटान मेळ्ळ्या.
आता तेजे फुडले प्रोसेस वत न्हू. आता
Education department, they should contact, no, it is because of them, so they should make arrangement for our children. What we feel, how can we go and claim, because they know exactly what is the problem about the demolition or whatever illegalities are there, no, they should solve our problem.
स्कूल सध्या आसा बंद. आपल्या पर्सनल कामाक म्हूण आयिल्ल्या प्रिन्सिपलाक पालकांनी गाठलो. पालकांनी तिका उजरावन अक्षरशः घाम काडलो.
कोणागे कितें कितें आहा तें सगळें नोट डावन करता आनी मागीर ते मेळोन चोयता.
तुमी एज्युकेशन डिपार्टमेंटान बी सांगलां की बाबा अशें भुरग्यांक प्रॉब्लेम जावपाक शकता कित्याक स्कूल बंद जातलें.
ते सगळें मॅनेजमेंटान करस्पॉन्डन्स केला आमी, सगळें जालां. इतले दीस आमगे चालूच आसलोले तेंकोडे कितें करया, कितें एश कोन्नी कर पेपर वर्क.
पण पेरंट्साक कशें कळ्ळें की शटडाऊन जाता?
ते हांवूय नाका आतां इतले दीस आतां शटडाऊन जाता म्हणून म्हाकाय खबर ना. हांव 19th वॉज द लास्ट, 20th हांव येवंक ना.
हे स्कूल कितलेशेच फावटी गैरप्रकारा खातीर चर्चेक आयला. स्कुलांनी बिल्डिंग बेकायदेशीर, भुरग्यांक अनसेफ म्हूण प्रुडंटान पासून रिपोर्ट केल्ले. स्कुलाचे बिल्डिंगेक हे पयलीं डिमॉलिशन नोटीस पासून काडिल्ली. प्रुडंटा खातीर सावेव डायस.
घेऊया एक ब्रेक.